Let's talk about the legality of Hymen Repair procedure or Hymen Repair surgery. Now, as we know, there is a system of law in our country, in Sri Lanka. There's a criminal law, there's a civil law, and so on. And there are certain offences that are considered to be unlawful under our law. Now I can give you some examples. Rape is such an unlawful act and it can be punished. Now, if a woman has conceived and if an abortion is done to kill this fetus, then that again is unlawful and it's an offense, and that also can be punished. However, about restoring your virginity, there is no such law. Therefore, it is not unlawful. Now, if you consider an abortion involves the termination of another life. However, in this situation, if you repair your virginity, it is your own body. It is a part of your own body that you are doing with your consent, that you are repairing with your consent, and you give the consent to a doctor to do this procedure. So, because this area is a little bit foggy and most people do not understand the legality and they think that it is an illegal thing to have the hymen restored or repaired, we thought we will add few words about that here. Now, therefore, you can be rest assured that if you decide to have this surgery done on a part of your body, that is completely legal and you are not breaking any law.